Hi, this is Valerie with At My Home, and today I've just brought home the new Apple Watch Series 4. I'm replacing my Apple Series 1 watch, one of the very first Apple Watches that came out a few years ago. And this has been a tough decision for me because I waited a really long time. The Apple Watch 2 and the Apple Series 3 came out, and they just weren't really enough for me to upgrade. But this year I'm training to do a triathlon, and I'm really trying to work on my swimming, and so it really makes sense for me to get the new waterproof Apple Watch. I went back and forth, should I get the Series 3, because it's having some great sales right now, but I decided that since I waited so long, I was just going to go ahead and get the Series 4 so I can have the latest version. So let's take a look and see what's inside the box. This is it. It comes in this very nice long box here. And let's pull the label back and open it up. So we've got here, it's a very interesting little box here with these tabs on the outside. So I can open this up. And there's a little outer box. Well, this is nice. It's got a really cute picture on it. So in case you were wondering which was the watch and which was the band, it's got some really nice designs here on the outside of the box. That's pretty cute. All right, so this is the watch itself. It's in a very long box. And then I got the Sport Loop. That was my choice when I got this watch. Now I got the aluminum case with the Sport Loop. There's a lot of different options you can choose from. The Apple Store app really walks you through and helps you pick the right choice for you, and there's some great comparisons you can do on the Apple site. I decided to go with this one. I'm replacing a stainless steel one actually, and this is another reason that I waited so long to buy, is I really like the look of this stainless steel watch, but for $3.99 I can't beat the value of upgrading to this new aluminum case model. So here, let's open up, see what's inside. So this is a funny box. This is a very long set of directions for the watch in this nice little shape here. So it's got the quick start guide inside and warranty information, and that goes here. And here's another Apple Watch charging cable. I already have one of these, but never bad to have another one. And another charging plug for that. And then here's the little watch itself. And this is really nice. It's in this little soft, cushiony container to protect the watch. Now I got the, let's pull this off, actually push it out here. So here it is. It's the tiny little watch. It's a little slippery. So this is interesting. This is a 40 millimeter, which is the smaller of the two watch sizes for my smaller wrist here. So, but what's interesting is that this is technically bigger by a couple of millimeters, but it doesn't really look like it. It's very close in size when you look at the two together, so it looks very similar in size, even though it's a slightly bigger case itself. Let me just take off my watch so you can kind of see the difference here. So here you've got the stainless steel version. This is the aluminum version. It's a little bit hard to see, but it does have a little bit different tone on the case on the outside. The big difference with the Series 4, which is another reason I really wanted to go with this, is that it's got a much more powerful sensor on the back, and you can see the difference when you look at the two of them. The Apple has really improved the heart rate capability and measuring heart rate, which is really important for tracking your workouts and making sure you're working out in the right heart rate zone. So I'm excited about trying that. Let's see here what else is different. Let's see if I can turn the screen on. Oh, here it comes. There's a little apple. And so it's probably going to be pretty hard to notice the difference between the quality of the screen, but I'll give it a shot. I'll put my watch back on. That'll be a little easier to show since it won't be asking for my password all the time. All right, so here it is pretty hard to see the difference in the screen resolution, but I'm looking forward to figuring that out later. It is, let's see, it's trying to set itself up here. See if I can get the screen to come up. Well, I'm going to get up to this point. It wants me to start pairing it with my phone. So I'm just going to end the video here. I've got through the whole unboxing. Before I do that, let me just put this down and then I will show you the new watch band. The Sport Loop. I decided, I've got a few different bands since I've had my watch for a couple years now. And this one looked like it was a little bit different from what I'm used to. So I thought I would try it out and see what it looks like. So this is interesting. It's very light. It's like a little piece of Velcro. So I'm going to hook it up to my new watch and I can put it, I might as well do that right now. I can get it out of here. This is a really great feature of the Apple Watch is it's really easy to change your watch bands. So it's makes it really nice if you do it the right way. It makes it really nice for swapping out bands and trying something new and dressing it up or dressing it down depending what you're doing. If you're going to swim or you're going to, you have to use the right connector. So here it is. I've got the watch all set up on the new band. This is very simple. It's got a nice little Velcro and it's very light and flexible. So it looks like this is something that I can wear right in the pool or I can use at the gym and it won't get sweaty like this rubber one does. So it'll be really nice. So I'm looking forward to checking that out. So it looks like it's trying to get me to update. So I'm going to leave it there. So I'll just that's the unboxing. I'm really excited to try out my new Apple Series 4 watch and I'll be reporting on it later. And if you like this video and you want to see more, please subscribe to our channel At My Home here on YouTube or please read our stories on atmyhome.com. Thank you.